Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to put the Ikea MittLED, if that's how you say it, lights, installed into the upper cabinet. Now this one I did the install on the face and ran the conduit to the sides and up and out. But what I'm going to do for my other cabinet on the other side, which is going to go here, it's the same 30-inch cabinet. We're actually going to cut 3-inch holes in the top, and I'm going to pop the lights in. Actually, you pop them in from underneath so you don't see any of the wires. And I'm going to leave this here. It doesn't look that bad, but I figured let me try doing the ones that go straight in, and I'm going to show you the cabinet. So this is where I'm going to pop them in, and I have a 3-inch hole saw. All right, so again, the measurements are 7 1/4 inches to the center from this edge, right? And from the outside edge, when you're measuring on the top, the center is 9 1/4 inches. So just cross those lines and drill your hole and mark the distance from the front first. All right, let's draw some center marks. Use the square. All right, 3-inch hole saw drill, and we're going to use this to drill the holes. So put that BB right in the center. Okay, we got one there. Cut there so we can take this out. Do the same there. And we got the 2 holes done. I'm gonna get the vacuum. All right, we're gonna take the light. We don't need the mounting rim because we did our own holes. So I'm gonna feed that through. Take a look. And there we go. All right, so that's a nice embedded look. And let me tilt this down. So this is what's gonna be on top. No one's gonna see anything on the top. The light fixture, the light transformer will be up there. I'm gonna go get the other one and put it in, and then I'll turn it up and you can see. And yeah, you just basically push up, try and keep it even because the hole is perfectly the right size. And okay, so look at that nice flush look, and it's nice and clean. Little mark there, it's negligible, and it's better than running the little conduits down here with a little covering and over here and through the hole here, which is hard when it's on the rail. So it's a nice cleaner look. Okay, so this is the finished kitchen, and I'll show you the finished lights. So here is the actual cabinet I was working on, and these are the lights that are installed inside. Now let me shut this off for a second so you can see a little better. All right, so again, the measurements are 7¼ inches to the center from this edge, right? And from the outside edge, when you're measuring on the top, the center is 9¼ inches. So just cross those lines and drill your hole. So, and then I'll show you the rest of the kitchen. The lights on and off. All right, so we have two systems here. We have a separate system on this side, and we have a light up in there. We have the light up in the cabinets. Okay, and those are the surface mounted ones. Those are just mounted on the inside of the cabinet top. And then we got the conduit running, and then we have the under cabinet lighting. Okay, and here's the second system. And of course we have just as far as inside a cabinet, just the glass ones on, we have those lights. And then we have the under the cabinet lights here. Skipped going above the sink, didn't really need it. We got one here, and then I added one of the round lights on the surface here just to fill it in and give it nice continuity. And as you see, it fills it up nice. Now I'm going to turn the lights off, just leave the ceiling lights on. As you can see, there's a huge difference, right? So I'll turn this one on, fills it in nicely. And then this side here too, I'll turn that on, and look at that, right? Lights it up nicely. And then even for more light, I got the range hood light. Totally light things up nicely. And so there you go. All right, so if this helped you out, I appreciate it if you give a thumbs up and subscribe. I got lots of other IKEA installation stuff and a lot of other how-to stuff that I'm sure can help you out in one way or another. Thanks for watching.